Hello everyone, this is Mirvat and today I'm going to show you how I made this faux leather AirPod case. I hope you like it and let's get started. And here I'm in design space. I got 3 different cut files. We got the ruffled one, the squared one and the rounded one. Today I'm going to use the ruffled one. So I'm going to hide the other two. Today I'm going to use brad, so I'm going to do 3 extra pieces to protect the AirPod from getting scratched. Now I'm going to show you how I make them. First I duplicate this piece and then I contour the small holes. And now I'm going to change the size to 1.6. I'm going to use this piece to make the other 2 pieces. I'm going to duplicate it and change the height to 1.1. I need 2 of these pieces, so I'm going to duplicate it. And now I have all the pieces I need. I'm going to save and I'm going to press make. I'm going to use a small piece, so I'm going to rearrange these pieces. And press continue. Here I'm going to choose faux leather. And now I'm going to prepare the mat. And here I get the faux leather. Now we will assemble it. First we have to start with the snaps. I will start here. Make sure to put the snaps inside this piece and then now we can press firmly here. And now for this one we have to put it from inside. And now I'm going to put this piece. Make sure you put the snap inside the plier and then we will press hard. Now after putting the snaps we will put the brads. Now we will align the holes like this. And now we will put the first brad. Press firmly. Now I'm going to align the holes. Now I will insert the brad. Try to press hard. And now I'm going to put the hanger. We'll do the same. You are going to align the 2 holes and then I'll put the brad. Here the brads are a little big, so I'm going to fold this piece. But be careful here, you might hurt yourself. And now I'm going to put the hangers and then put my last brad. Press hard and then again here I'm going to fold a piece of the brad inside. Now the last step, we are going to attach these small pieces to the brads from inside to protect the AirPod from getting scratched. Here I'm going to use hot glue. Be careful here because the hot glue is very hot and it makes the brads hot too. And I'm going to do the same for the other two brads. The last one. Make sure to cover the whole brad. And it's done. Here is the AirPod. I'm going to test it. It fits perfect. Here I have one more. First we are going to start with the snaps. I'm gonna press very hard. Now for the other snap, I'll put it from inside. Make sure that the snaps are inside these pieces, and then we will press. First, we have to align the holes. And now I can put the brad. Press hard. Again, we'll do the same. We will align the holes. And then we will put the brad. Now we will put the hanger part. The same, we will align the holes. Put the brads. Again, here the brad is long, so I'm going to fold it a little inside, but be careful here. Yes. Now I'm going to put this piece before I close it with the last brad, because it's easier for me. Now I'm going to put my last brad. Again, for this piece, I'm going to fold it inside. Again, here I'm going to put these extra pieces to protect the AirPod from getting scratched. As I said before, these 3 pieces are optional, but if you want to protect your AirPod, it's better that you put them. My last piece. And that's it, my second one is done. Now I'm going to add this piece and that's it. And it's done. Now I have 2 important things to mention. First thing, these AirPod cases are going to fit both first and second generation AirPods. And the second thing, to charge these AirPods, we don't have to remove it from the case. We can charge it directly by using a cable like this. And the second thing, You can charge it directly by putting it on a MagSafe charger. That's it everyone for today's video. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments below and I'm going to answer them. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.